Hello friends, again welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be doing numerology number 2. In our last two sessions we have discussed about in first session we discussed about basics of numerology, how to fix numbers in our numerology grid. As I told you that this numerology grid is not similar to Pythagorean numerology or Chaldean one. It's a different kind of numerology. So I told you how to fix the number. If you haven't seen that video, please I have posted the link into the description box, so you may please check it out there. And today in last session we did about numerology number 1. Today we'll be studying about number 2, right? So all these numbers, as I told you that you should study about all the numbers, because eventually you are going to get mahadasha of any either of the numbers, right? It should be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, all mahadasha or antardasha, or you can say year number or major year number of all the numbers will come to a person. So a person will be having influence of all the numbers in his or her life. So we need to know. It's, if you want to learn numerology, or even if you want to analyze your own chart, you should have knowledge about all the numbers. So today we'll be doing numerology number 2. Numerology number 2 is ruled by Moon, and it's a female planet. See, you need to remember the gender of planet, because it will be helpful in deciding various factors like decision making, creativity. All these things will be decided by the gender of a planet, gender of a number. So you can say that number 2, numerology 2, is ruled by Moon, and it's a female number. So what are the characteristics pertaining to number 2? The characteristics are: first, the person having number 2 in the grid, in the numerology grid, which I told you, are very creative. They are very attractive. Attractive doesn't mean by look, but their aura is very positive. They are soft spoken. They speak very nicely. This is why many people get attracted to them. Do have a very good imagination power. Is good imagination power. Now, this number shows lack of confidence. Lack of confidence. They can do a very good job from backend, but when it comes to leading, when it comes to front presentation, they lag in that field. So they always need push in life. If you'll push them, if it's a single two, as of now I'm talking about single two, I'll tell you about multiple twos also. Okay. So push in life. As far as single two is concerned, if somebody will push them, somebody will motivate them, they'll move ahead and they can do a good presentation, right? Lack of confidence is that they need push in life. Sometimes they become addicted to many things. Why? Because they don't have confidence. And the thing here is that they get they get distressed very easily. They get into, like, you can say that if somebody will say something to them, they will start thinking a lot, because I already told you that imagination power is good. So they'll keep on thinking. This will take to the this will depression. This will give depression to them. So now, in order to come out of this depression, they may get addicted to some or other thing, right? So depression will be there. Now they are attention seeker. Now I want you to do one thing. Another point I'm going to give you is selfie. Okay, what is this word? If possible, since if you are into this channel and you are listening it till now, means you are interested in to numerology and you want to learn numerology. So the thing is that you need to see, if you now first I'll tell you about this selfie. What is this? Do one thing. It's a small exercise. You might be using Facebook or Insta. You will see there are users who frequently post their photos, right? So you check their date of birth. You will get double two or triple two in their date of birth. Just look after these things and you will be able to understand the nature of two, how two is all about. So it's exercise for all of you, that you need to check that if the, like if a person is frequently posting his or her photos, he will be having a date of birth like 2202 1992, or it may be 2002 1991. So multiple one will be coming, multiple two will be coming in his numerology grid. You need to check this. Now, as I told you, it's all about single one. Till the time, sorry, single two. Till the time two is single, this is good, right? But once it becomes multiple, once again, multiple two, so it's a big problem now. So although the creativity and attractiveness will increase, but this will lead to higher depression, higher attention seeking activity. Because if you'll not now, when two becomes double two, when it becomes like double two or double two or triple two, so now their tendency will be like they need attention every time. If you'll not give them attention, they will come under depression, they will start they will get addicted to some or other thing. Now the confidence level will go down more, there will be very less confidence in them. I'm just, as of now, please, I'll tell you when this confidence will rise, when this confidence will fall more in future videos. But as of now, you please consider, I'm talking about only number two or double two or triple two. I'm not taking 1, 9 or 3 or 5 any other number into consideration, right? So considering other numbers also, considering other numbers only, we can make a prediction. But since we should know about each and every number, so I'm telling you all these things. So when double two or triple two is there, so it will create a big problem. Not big problem means, although their creativity will also increase, attractiveness will increase, they will be more soft spoken, or aura will be very positive, everybody will be attracted to them very easily. But now there is very lack of confidence, now they will come into a big depression. So there is a recommendation for number two, that they should never live alone. Number two, people will have motherly instincts. Their love is pure. They are very soft-hearted. They are very kind-hearted people. So this is the this was all about numerology number two. If you like this video, request to please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. And if you need personal consultation or you want to go for advanced numerology classes, you may please contact me on below number. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.